Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I am super happy with my Bullstrap watch strap from Bullstrap. I've worn this more or less 24/7 for a couple of years now. I really like it. But I've been getting some complaints or some comments that people are shocked that I'm wearing such a boring watch strap and watch. They are used to me having really flashy panerized straps or gold watches or diamond G-Shock, whatever. So when I go to the car meets nowadays, people are kind of shocked and giving me some comments that why don't I wear flashy watches anymore or watch straps. So I've been looking around a bit for new watch bands, watch straps, and my whole point here was that I want something that is everyday friendly, because for some reason, I don't know why, the Apple Watch is the easiest watch ever to change a strap on. Really easy. But for some reason, I have a couple of different straps from Bullstrap. I have three straps. I have something I've ordered myself, etc., etc. But I only wear this one. I don't know why. So what I'm after is something everyday friendly, which means something that is not too flashy, but not boring either. And I think I have found the perfect straps for me. So let me change the camera angle because I thought you were going to see this on the shoebox. But this seems to be a better unboxing experience than I expected. So let me show you what the unboxing experience looks like. This is from watchstrap.co, so not .com, but I will link everything to you in the description. So you will find it to them. And I actually do think, even before I opened it, that this is going to be just perfect for me. I know that, as usual, most of you viewers are new, but if you have seen any of my older videos, you know that I really appreciate the whole unboxing experience. And I'm guessing that you do too. So I appreciate these kind of things and views of getting them like in a, I don't know, bag or something. So let's see what we have here. And I'm guessing we are opening it like this. So here we can see we have 4 straps. Thank you for shopping with WsC, your diamond in both ethical source and expel, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that is already a giveaway about the flashy thing that I think here. So let me show you the straps. Very nice unboxing experience. So here we have a white alligator print strap, and it's really white with the black buckles. Really white. So this is going to look perfect with my new white sneakers. It's hygiene sealed. I have never seen that before. That is something I appreciate. Let me show you. So this is the first strap. I really like that the inside of the strap is like brushed leather, almost like suede. So that was really comfortable. And the white is super beautiful. I hope you can see this. So this white is going to look great. Why not put it on the watch right away? And as you can see, I chose this buckle instead of the standard one. Maybe a bit loose, but that is maybe so it's easier to put on. And if you have an Apple Watch, you know that it's super easy to change strap. Very, very beautiful. And me with my small wrist have to change it, but yeah, very nice. Flimsy buckle, thin, but I'm guessing that is good because the watch itself is not heavy, so, and a watch should never be bottom heavy. Some watches are that, and that is not nice. And the inside, once again, the inside feels like suede. That was very, very comfortable. And the straps are, I'm guessing, normal size. I usually order them thicker, but this is the more comfortable size. On to the next one. I like the orange color. It's not your Hermes orange, but still nice. So here we have a dark brown strap that is maybe a bit darker than expected, but this is the kind of brown that will look better with age, with some patina, with some wearing. So this will be a perfect everyday strap. And once again, the inside, I'm not used to that. The inside is very, very soft, very nice in the touch. So that's the everyday strap. And this is the one that I was the most excited about. The red one. I have red leather straps for my Panerai watches, and I also have a black Panerai that I usually have that red strap on, and that looks just amazing. And since I have a bunch of shoes that are the bread colorway, which means red and black, this is going to be perfect. Red and black together. Nice. And the strap is alligator print, it's not alligator leather. And then the final one. Diamond edition. Here we have a steel buckle, strap, black one to match the watch, and with a diamond, a real diamond. And that is something you can order on all your watches. You can even have the diamond on these buckles. And I thought that I have ordered one with a diamond on the buckle. I was pretty sure about that, but I have to check my order. I maybe just took it on this one, because this one is going to be the flashy one. And even though it's a metal bracelet with a diamond, I think that it's not going to be too flashy. I think it's going to look kind of nice. And as you can see, I don't have the black watch. I don't know if there is a black Apple Watch. I have the one called space gray, I think, but this one, it still looks good. And with the diamond, really nice with the diamond. So a nice unboxing experience, great colors on the colored straps. I have to make it smaller, a lot smaller. And the brown one also very beautiful as an everyday strap. This one with the diamond, I'm thinking as sort of like my, I don't know, party strap or whatever I would call it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. We got one of these so you can make the strap smaller. Easier without damaging it. Oh, it was black. That was nice. That was a nice touch. Black one. So yeah, as said, you can have that diamond upgrade on the leather straps as well. Then you have it on the buckle. Just like on this one. And who doesn't love diamonds? And yes, it is a real diamond. I think this is it for the unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know. I will do my best to answer them. I will link to the company, to the watch shop, web shop in the description. And check my blog post for their own PR pictures and better pictures. I think I'm gonna start with the red one. I really like red and black. And these with white sneakers, oh my. And this one will be a great everyday watch. Once again, the inside. Have you ever felt the inside of a luxury leather bag? This is just what it feels like. Really nice. And even, I just want to show you, even if you have this style of buckle, which I've noticed that people don't use anymore, this is the more expensive buckle. So if you want to change the size on these, it might look impossible, but you just, let me just open it. You just fold it like it should be foldable. I'm pretty sure it should be foldable. Oh, the other way, sorry. So just open it like that, and you have the pin free, and just adjust the strap. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be the next to the smallest hole. So let me put it on and see. So yeah, and then you just close it. This might have been, yeah, I'm gonna take it out one size. Show you again how easy it is. Bend it that way, move it one hole, close it, and then, let me see, yes, this is the right size. Much, much cooler. Nice, very nice. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will absolutely order a leather strap with a diamond on the buckle as well. I love diamonds. And this is what the bracelet looks like in the right size. Very light, very comfortable. Doesn't weigh too much. You get maybe the first impression is that it feels cheap because it's so light. But once again, if you have a light watch, you don't want to have a heavy bracelet because that's just going to feel weird.